Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and test another pair of headphones with another device. So grab your main pair, test it with a different device, and grab your second pair if you have one, or just simply take it from somebody close to you and try and connect it to your phone. If the other pair works and your main doesn't, then it may be issue with your main one, but this phone does not have a 3.5mm jack, so this tutorial is only for the Bluetooth headphones. So we're gonna start off by going into the settings, now connections, and here we will have Bluetooth. Make sure that you enable the Bluetooth, and when it's enabled, what you guys can do is disable it for a while. So with a couple of seconds, for example 5 to 10 seconds, I won't take that much of your time, so I'll just turn it on now, but wait a couple of seconds. And then if that does not fix anything, what you guys can do is forget and repair the headphones again with your phone. Now make sure to charge your headphones fully, because if you don't, then that might also be the issue while trying to pair it. They may be full, they may seem like they are fully charged, but they may be not. So I recommend charging it fully before doing anything, and I recommend avoiding Wi-Fi and device interference. So for example, when your headphones connect to another device or something like that. Now what you guys can do is reset the network settings. So it's in the settings, you won't delete any of your data from the device. Just go over here and search for reset. Now click on reset, and here we will be in the general management. So if you don't want to search for it, you guys can simply go over here, swipe down to general management right here, and now click on reset. Here, reset the network settings, and then reset all settings. After that, everything should work. But if you delete all network settings, sorry, not all network settings, but all settings, you will have to re-enter your passwords to Wi-Fi, repair devices to Bluetooth, and etc. So now if the network settings reset does not work, then I recommend you guys factory resetting your device. Is right here, the factory data reset. It will delete everything, so make sure that you back it all up. And after that, if the factory data reset did not help, then you may want to take your phone to the service for a checkup. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.